lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzie and I post a lot of beauty related content here on YouTube. If those are the kind of the videos that you love to watch, then please hit that subscribe button down below. Today's video is very fun. I know Christmas has come early. It's so weird, isn't it? Christmas is starting in August apparently, because Superdrugs decided to drop the advent calendars from Revolution at ridiculous prices, which was okay for us. So all the Patreon groups went crazy, and Luce, fake you Luce, she managed to get me this bad boy. Now this was either £22 or 19s, I can't remember, but this is the ultimate Glamour collection. She was so kind, like she found the box big enough, packed it well, sent it all over to me. And she did it for a few of us, to be fair. A lot of people were doing it for other people, but I think Luce did it for loads of us. Look at the packaging, it's absolutely gorgeous. I'm so excited to have this, and it like opens up. Ugh, it's so heavy, but it opens up and you've got all the products inside there. I look kind of orange in the background. So yeah, we are just gonna dive into this, and I'm going to show you some of these items. I'm hoping you guys can read this, but this is the illuminating fixing spray, it says on there. This is what it looks like. It's literally just from their normal range. So it's from their normal range of sprays, so let's just smell it. Doesn't really smell of much. So yeah, this probably illuminates your skin. I've already used a fixing spray not too long ago, so I'm not going to spray this one on me, but I can't wait to try this. Oh, the next box we have is a mascara. Revolution have pumped out a lot of mascaras lately. Again, this is just their normal kind of mascara. Let me just quickly open it for you. Oh, this mascara looks like it's going to be really, really nice. And I'm actually going to put this in a little bag for my mum. I'm going to make her a little gift set up because she loves mascara. She doesn't wear much makeup, but she absolutely adores mascaras. So I'm going to give this one to my mum. Oh, we have an eye primer. Look at the packaging. Look at that. That's absolutely stunning. Okay, let's open this bad boy up. Ooh. I sold this already. I sold this to one of the Patreons in the sales group. This is their medium base. This is so not right for my skin tone. Look, it's so darker than me, and the light is just too light. I need something in between light and medium, so I'm not going to open this up. I'm probably going to sell this on or something. The next item we have is lipstick. Just look at the packaging. I love the colour of this. I love pink, literally love pink. There's two. Okay, so there's no names on them, but the tops show a different colour. So looks like one is a bit darker. Oh, I'm definitely keeping that shade. That is mine. Oh my god. It's like a matte formula. This reminds me of that Rimmel shade. I was talking to Danielle in Lucy's group about it. Rimmel 105. That looks like a good dupe. We've got a nice caramel brown looking shade. These are pretty decent. Could you imagine them two ombre as well? They look really nice. They're both a matte formula. So glad we get two of them. A brush set. They really love their brush sets, don't they? So there's 3 brushes, and again, they're in this paper packaging. Ooh. These are so sturdy, and the bristles are really nice. That looks that's so fluffy. Okay, these brushes are better than the chocolate tin. Sorry, I've just dropped that. Oh, and another like flat shader brush. That would be good for packing on pigment on your lid. Finally, not an angled flat brush, but like an angled packer brush. Usually these ones I like for underneath the eye, but I feel like it's not fluffy enough. The colour of this is absolutely stunning. It's like a metal kind of colour. I like that. This big old box for 3 brushes. They could have put a whole brush set in there. Okay, we're getting on to items I know I'm really going to enjoy. We've got some lip glosses first, and these are the colours. Okay, one came out of there. The other 2 are coming out of there. So we've got this lovely nude shade, and they've got glitter particles in them. That one I'm definitely going to give away. Ooh, a nice iridescent gloss. That one I'm going to give away because I've got tons of them look like this. But this one I'm gonna keep. This one I'm gonna keep. I'm sorry. And this one's called Dreamy. It smells like strawberries. That one there. Right, that is a definite keeper. It's like a nice deep pink shade with like gold glitter in there. We now have 2 shadow palettes. Look Look at the colours on here. Now I'm going to open this one because it's bronzy and I love a good bronze palette. And that design there is stunning. These are all shimmer shades though. So, a bit annoying. But let's swatch this shade here. It is so smooth. That went on. So buttery. It's not the most like metallic foily shade, but it was so smooth. Now this is more me. Look at this palette. 3 mattes, 1 shimmer. You could do a lot with that. You could use these as blushes. I'm not sure if you could use that as contour. If you're a bit darker, you might be able to, but I don't really like contour. But that looks like a lovely palette. That is a definite me palette right there. Now we're on to the bronze and contour palette. Look at that. I am very, very excited for this one. And there's a couple of highlights in there too, which are more of the goldier shades and bronze. Like these are definitely one shade there that I would definitely use. Very smooth. And if not, you can use this as an eyeshadow palette. Like, you've got your mattes and you've got your shimmers, and you can put this all over the lid. You can put this as your inner corner highlight, and then you could just do like a different type of neutral smoky eye. I feel like I could use any 4 of these shades, maybe not this one, but any 3 of these shades, these 3. These 2 I wouldn't. And then I could use that, and then, yeah, I could use this for a lot, to be fair. And the packaging is gorgeous. Now we have a shadow palette. Look at that. Look at that. I'm excited for this one. It's called the Reloaded Ultimate Palette. So there's 6 mattes and 9 shimmers in here, but it is a really nice autumnal feeling type of palette. And again, I feel like you can use it in spring and summer with these shades here. So you can really change up what kind of look you want. And there's a nice few transitional shades in here. Then you've got the deep brown, or this shade here that you can deepen it up with. This is a really, really nice palette. Like, I would get a lot of use out of this. Now, we have another shadow palette. This palette, when I saw in a few of the girls' videos that are already up, Luce and Alex's, I think I've watched. This is the Reloaded Glorified palette. As soon as I saw this palette, I was drawn to this orange shade here. And I think in everyone's videos, all they've spoken about is how bright that shade is. It's a really nice palette. You get 8 mattes and 7 shimmers. And look at this blue shade here. I'm drawn to blues. There we go, it is there. They're not the most pigmented palettes, but these are nice, like if you want to quickly whack on something and go out the door. I feel like this was never ending, but we're at our final product, which is a blush and highlight palette, which I think I might be holding on backwards. Look at it. This is such a stunning blush and highlight palette. Again, look at these oranges. This is really nice. You've got all your shimmers up here, all your mattes down here. It's a really stunning looking palette. I feel like this would suit a lot of different people. And you've got like a shimmery blush or a matte blush, whatever you're feeling at the time. I wouldn't say this is a highlight palette. I would say this is just a full-on blush palette. So you've got your shimmery blushes and your matte blushes, and you're good to go. I wouldn't call this highlights unless people are going to use these different colours as highlights. If you're doing maybe like a monochromatic look, but I really, really like this. And that is every single product opened. So we get 17 items in this, which is really, really good. 17 items, and I believe this retails for £80, and I got it for 20 quid. So that's a really, really decent buy. And I feel like, okay, I've counted each brush individually, but together I probably would pay no more than £5 for all 3 of those brushes. But 17 items, that is so good. So I really hope you did enjoy this video. If there's anything you want me to test soon, just let me know. I'm really, really intrigued to try these like little face palettes out, and then the reloaded palettes as well. So let me know if there's anything you want me to test out, and I'm gonna get into testing them soon. Or I could wait till Christmas and do it if you want, or I can do it now so you know whether you want to pick up one of those palettes or gift sets. Just let me know, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.